Christmas edition. Hi guys, and welcome to the Christmas edition of Nomad Makes. Today we are unboxing BastiSoft, your new companion in the workshop. Look, I am Nomad Makes. So there wasn't much in the box. There was the companion itself, 89% homemade, and a short user's manual. So what can we expect from this little guy here? Well, it's supposed to be an inspiration and a good friend. It's 89% homemade. There's of course a lot of extra packages that comes with the BastiSoft. It will help your creativity and be brutally honest in the workshop.
You are not drilling the holes with the equal spacing.
And I've had some constructive criticism about the spacing between my pocket holes, so this time I measured it out.
You need window in your videos.
So BastiSoft is supposed to make you happy. So let's try to test this out in my happiness meter on the iPhone. And sure enough, it gives you 100% happiness. So what is my first impression of this little guy here? Well, he is brutally honest and a true friend in the workshop. If you made it this far, I will tell you what is going on here. This video is a tribute to a friend of ours who has been fighting cancer for the last 1.5 years. He has made wonderful improvements since summer, and this is my Christmas present to you, Bastian. If you want to help fight cancer, you'll find a donation link to the Norwegian Cancer Society in the video description. Cheers guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.